the example for type 2. In type 1 example, the limits were constants. Here, the type 2, f of x is equals to, question is f of x is equal to x square plus integration of 0 to x e power minus t into f of x minus t dt. Then find f of x. Then find f of x. This is the question. So here, if you observe this integrand, in this one, here, this is internal variable. This t is internal variable. Therefore, dt and t, this t are internal variable. This x is external variable. So here, this integrand contains internal as well as external variable. That's why we cannot directly differentiate with respect to t. First, we should take out this external variable outside, then we differentiate and solve the problem. Already I have given method how to solve the questions of type 2. Already I have given the method. So once we will go through the method. So what was the method? Yes. To solve the type 2 problem will be like this. Type 2 is f of x is equal to x square plus x into 0 to x t square f of dt, like this. But here in this one, here only internal variable. T is internal variable. This x and x, these are external variables. Here in this integrand only t is there. Internal variable is there. So if this is the standard form, here limits are variables. In type 2, limits are variables. In type 1, limits are constants. So here, what to do? Here 0 to x t square f of t dt is not a constant here, because this is a variable, therefore it's not a constant. Here, method is what? Differentiate, then we will get rid of integration. If we differentiate, then we will get rid of the integration symbol. Then rearrange the terms. This step is important. Then rearrange the terms, then integrate. Directly we are not differentiating and integrating. We are differentiating. Then this step is important. Rearranging and then integrating. Here we are not only differentiating and integrating, but we are differentiating and rearranging and integrating. That is the method. So to solve this question, what we do is first to get rid of this x, that is external variable, use this property. Integration of a to b f of x dx is equals to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Use this property. So here, in place of t, in place, because these are the variables for these variables are for t, not for x, because they are different integration with respect to t. Therefore, replace t with a plus b minus x, that is a plus b minus x, that is 0 plus x minus t. So with this substitution, then what you get, this integral becomes f of x equal to x plus, if you make this substitution, if this is integration of a to b f of x dx equal to f of a plus b minus x. Therefore 0 to x e power, so minus of t is equal to what? X minus t into f of x minus, in place of t, x minus t, into dt as this. So this is equals to x square plus integration of 0 to x e power, this is t minus x, and minus x plus t also, into f of xx cancel t dt. Now we can write that external variable outside here, because this is x square. This can be written as e power minus x is outside, 0 to x e power t f of t. Now this is in standard form. See, here only internal variable is there, external variable we got outside. Now what we do is, and suppose now we need to differentiate it. Actually, the method is what? This is the standard form. We need to differentiate, but here directly I will not differentiate. I will multiply both sides with e power x, so that here we can avoid UV rule. So if you directly differentiate, you need to use UV rule. To avoid UV rule, what I do is I will remove this e power minus x from here then differentiate. Then we can remove, we can avoid that uv root, that is d by dx of u, that is yes or no. So for that one, multiply both sides with e power x, so that otherwise to avoid e power x, to avoid uv root, to differentiate. So now what you do, if you multiply with e power x, then what you get, e power x into f of x is equals to x square into e power x plus just 0 to x e power t f of t d. Now differentiate. So now if you differentiate here, u will, that is e power x into f dash x plus f of x into differentiation of e power x is equal to x. Here also u will, x square into e power x plus 2x into e power x, u will, plus here differentiation, how to, already we have seen one result, how to differentiate. First, differentiation of upper limit, that is 1. In place of t, you substitute upper limit, that is e power x into f of x minus differentiation of lower limit, that was 0 into anything, 0. So now what we get, e power x into f dash x plus f of x into e power x is equals to x square into e power x plus 2x into e power x plus f of x into e power x. So here f of x into e power x, f of x into e power x, both sides cancel. Then you left with what? E power x take out common and cancel. E power x also cancel. Then what you get, tell me? F dash x is equals to x square plus 2x. But our requirement is f dash x, sorry, f of x. Now integrate. If integrate, then what you get? You will get our required function, that is f of x is equal to x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2 plus c. Therefore, that implies our f of x is equals to x cube by 3 plus x square plus c. So now f of x is equals to this one. Now what about c? To find the c value, then what you get? You take f of x, the given function. F of x equal to what? X square plus integration of 0 to x e power minus t into f of x minus t dt. So in this one, put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, then what you get? F of 0 is equals to, this is 0 plus 0 to 0, sorry, 0 square plus e power minus t into 0 minus t into dt. So everything is 0 here because upper limit, lower limit both are 0 and this is 0 only. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0. So, sorry, here you will get, this is, yeah, f of 0 is equal to 0. So, f of 0 is equal to 0. So, but what is f of 0? We substituted x equal to 0. But what is f of 0 from this one? F of x is equal to x cube by 3 plus x square plus c. So f of 0 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus c. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to c. So what we got? C is equal to 0. Again, you substitute the c equal to 0 in f of x. That is our required function. Therefore, f of x is equals to x cube by 3 plus x square. So this is our answer.